We are here today at the indoor range. Something special. I've got my wife with me, and we're showing her how to shoot because she's taking her conceal carry course today, and she's going to get it. She's going to carry it. It's awesome. So I'm super stoked and very proud of her.
The big thing, if you get your first right in the middle and you knock that little number 10 out, don't turn around with the gun. Wow, did you see that?
All right, we'll start with 10.
Hit your shoulder and let it go. There you go.
Safety. All right, now hands together, just like we talked about. Fingers off the trigger until you're ready to shoot. All right, go ahead and just give it a shot. Wow, straight in the head. That's my wife, people. Do it again. Same thing. In the head, once again. Man, look at that. She's dangerous. Doing great. Oops. All right, make sure you hold it tight and your fingers are together, your thumbs are together rather. And that'll prevent it from jamming.
There you go. All right. Like so. Thumb press out now. You see how you do?
Man,
I want you to do the opposite.
That's incredible, babe.
You're good.
All right, so we're going to talk about a few of the basics. It's a little loud here because we're at a range, but basic number one, always keep the firearm pointed in a safe direction at all times. You don't point it at anything that you're not going to destroy. Right?
All right.
Okay,
so you feel
number
what the
two,
recoil's like, right? So you're still standing
always make
up
sure that you're wearing safety protection when you're shooting, because it's very loud, it can hurt your ears, come back in your eyes, so be careful.
You see what I'm saying? So what's going to happen when that recoil happens?
Now, instead of close here,
through your shoulders,
you can see the firearm.
Go through your whole body or whatever, and your body's going to
obviously everything is clear, right?
Push it out there.
So when we load this in,
ready to go again?
You can see it's ready to go. As soon as I close this slide, it's going to be ready to fire. So, I'm a southpaw, so
you guys come here.
do it over here.
So step back for a second.
All right. So it's ready to go.
Becky did something or whatever.
I'm going to put it on safe just for a second. Okay. What you want to do is grab it up high in the gun.
Never put your thumb back there.
So you got a good grip. Finger off the trigger. Ready to shoot. That's another safety. And then your other hand is going to come together. These fingers to these fingers. And your thumbs are going to be together like that. Okay? So when you point, lean in, bring it up to your eye level, and then when you pull the trigger, you're just going to use this movement. That's it.
Oh, okay.
And if you can just do that, then you'll be on target. Wherever the gun is pointing, it'll shoot in that direction. Now, if you go to it, you're ready to fire, and as soon as you go, you jerk it, then it's not going to matter where you're aiming, because it's not going to get there. So the secret to an accurate shot is to just put your finger on that trigger and just keep going. Don't expect anything else. You're just moving your finger like that. And then when you get good at that, you can start going faster. Pull the trigger. Pull the trigger.
Okay, so we're aiming at the orange.
And you'll be dead on. So let me take a couple of shots and we'll see how I do.
All right. I'll come out.
Aiming for the center of mass.
Slow squeeze. So what's happening right before you
Not
pull
bad.
the trigger, you stand
All right,
up.
firearm's empty.
All right. So that's what I mean. Stay with the shot. You know what it feels. You want to take a break and
now
let
you
him
can
finish
see
out?
one of these shots.
All right. So
I pulled.
You good?
I jerked. See that?
You good?
And that's what happens if you're not thinking about just that movement. So I pulled one of them down, but everything else is right in the box.
All right.
This is only 10 feet, but I mean, most self-defense situations happen within 10 feet or less. So if you can practice that, you'll be good to go. Doing great. All right, let's take a look at this. shots right here. That's you. Killing it. Good job, babe.
I feel like I'm doing the same thing. But I'm not seeing them.
They're
all really low.
Right. You're doing good.
Oh.
Good job. Cleared it.
There you go. That one was mine right in the bottom of the green.
Good job. Need to mark it. Alright, let's take a look. Not bad. Pretty good group. These ones are mine. This one might have. I think I pulled one high up there. Look at that. Okay, a couple of flyers, but otherwise, headshot, 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 headshot. Yeah.
Don't mess with me.
Proud of you. I did good. I'm just saying. Everything right in the box. I got yelled at for doing that on the I will take it down. All the headshots. You're shooting right through that hole.
Oh.
Pretty much made Italy out of that. Man, cannot be prouder. More prouder. Yep. Future pro, right there. I am the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you for joining us today. Awesome. Definitely a proponent of carry weapons, and small, it's compact, it's easy to shoot, and it's very easy to conceal. So, for men and ladies, I highly recommend it. Thank you guys, and I will see you next week.